back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by to watch another one of my videos. So in today's video, we have the pleasure of working with QVR hair, aka Queen Virgin Remy hair. They were so nice enough to send me out their 13 by 4 kinky curly lace front wig. This is everything that came in my package. Alright, y'all, so here is the wig. This wig did come with curly edges, so yeah, I will show you guys that in a second. It is a lace front wig. I think I mentioned that before. So you get about an inch or two of space on the sides, and here are the edges or the baby hairs. I did put this wig on using Bedhead Hard Head Spray. And I went in and I did bleach my knots, and the knots bleached very well. And I did pluck the hairline some. I did pluck behind the curly edges, but during this video, once I started to shape and mold down the edges, I plucked some of the edges in the front, and you'll see that later on in the video. But yeah, one thing I would say is that this the hairs on the lace, they plucked very well. It wasn't tough to get the hairs out, so I love that as well. But yeah, y'all, this wig is very pretty. Y'all know I love me some curly hair. I know that the name of this wig is their kinky curly, but it's not giving kinky curly. It's giving like an you know, the curly hair, your regular typical curly hair. So it's not tightly coiled, and it's not super tough to get through. It's really soft. The curls are soft. I did get some shading from this wig, but it was very minimum, and it was enough shading where I feel like it sufficed for it being curly hair. So very minimum shading. Tangling, I don't really get any tangling with this hair because again the curls are soft. So yeah, y'all, if you're interested in this wig or the company, I do have all of the information and specs in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of this video. Thank you all again for watching. And I want to thank QVR hair, I'm sorry, for allowing me to try this wig. I really appreciate it. All right, so I'm going to talk to you guys later.
With me.